Here is how to activate WalletConnect on Trust Wallet in just 90 seconds. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. On the main screen, tap Connect or Wallet Connect button, usually found in the settings or directly on the home dashboard. Step 3. A QR code scanner will pop up. Now, on the dApp or platform you want to connect to, click Connect Wallet and select Wallet Connect. Step 4. Scan the QR code shown on your computer screen using your phone. Step 5. Confirm the connection in your Trust Wallet. You'll see a confirmation message that your wallet is now connected to the dApp. Final tip: always disconnect from sites you don't trust, or after you're done using the dApp. Just go back to Wallet Connect in the app and hit disconnect. You're now ready to use Wallet Connect securely on Trust Wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.